I'm about to tell you something that might surprise you. It could excite you, maybe even frustrate you, but it's a fact you can't ignore. You already have a personal brand, whether you like it or not. Your Instagram, your Facebook, your Twitter, it all shapes how people perceive you. So the real question isn't how to start a personal brand, it's how to take control of it and turn it into your biggest asset. Because the truth is, a well-built personal brand can change everything. It can open doors, create opportunities, and even generate serious wealth. And the best part, you don't need millions of followers to make it work. We live in an attention-driven economy. If you have people's attention, you have power. Just look at how the biggest names in business, politics, and entertainment actively build their brands. They understand that attention leads to influence, and influence leads to opportunity. The same principle applies to entrepreneurs and business owners. Some of the most successful people today have leveraged small but highly engaged audiences to build multi-million-dollar businesses. Whether you're running a marketing agency, a real estate business, an e-commerce store, or even a local pastry shop, a personal brand can turbocharge your success. But here's where most people get it wrong. Most people think they need millions of followers to make money. They don't. A small, high-quality audience is far more valuable than a large, disengaged one. What really matters is who is following you, not just how many. For example, would you rather have 1,000 followers who each bring $150 in value, or 10,000 followers who bring nothing? That's why successful personal brands focus on attracting the right people, not just chasing vanity metrics like likes and views. So, how to build your personal brand? Let me explain. First, clarify your intention. The first step in building a profitable personal brand is knowing exactly what you want from it. Ask yourself, what do I want to sell? Who is my perfect audience? How can I create content that attracts them? Your personal brand should serve a clear purpose. Whether you're a business owner looking for clients, a creator building an audience, or even a professional positioning yourself for better career opportunities, your brand should work for you, not the other way around. Second, choose the right platform. Not all platforms are created equal. Each one attracts a different type of audience and requires a different skill set. LinkedIn and Twitter, best for professionals and B2B businesses. Instagram and TikTok, great for visual storytelling and lifestyle brands. YouTube, the most powerful for building deep trust and authority. Your skill set also matters. If you're great at writing, Twitter or LinkedIn might be a better fit. If you prefer video, YouTube or TikTok will work better for you. The key is to pick one platform that aligns with your goals and go all in. Third, build a high-value audience. Once you have your platform, the goal is to attract the right people with your content. Your content should educate, inspire, and entertain. But most importantly, it should speak directly to your ideal audience. If you're a real estate agent, your content should attract home buyers, not random viewers. If you're a fitness coach, your content should attract potential clients, not just general fitness enthusiasts. Fourth, monetize your brand. A strong personal brand isn't just about getting attention, it's about turning that attention into income. Here's how successful personal brands make money: selling products or services, affiliate marketing, sponsorships and brand deals. Remember, you don't need millions of followers to monetize. Even with just a few thousand highly engaged followers, you can build a 6 or 7-figure business. Final thoughts. Your personal brand already exists. The only question is, are you using it to your advantage? You don't need to be famous. You don't need millions of followers. You just need a clear strategy, the right audience, and valuable content. This is the biggest opportunity of the decade, and the best time to start is right now. Because in today's world, the people who control attention control everything.